Hello friends, welcome to Momentum Stocks. In today's video, we are going to talk something different. Okay, I'm going to tell you something that probably no one else has told. After the music, you will also see a previously recorded video followed by my talk, friends. See friends, now I would say look at this particular rally in Nifty. If I put it on 15 minutes, since almost July, there is continuous uptrend. Okay. Now, globally, Russia, Ukraine, talk about China, and there are global issues that are happening, but Indian market is still going positive. If you look at global markets, they are also positive. So tomorrow again there can be a very good positive start. Now, considering the up move like this that has happened since last few days, or I can say months, let's observe it from here, friends. Now, what has happened is every day it has been making a higher high. Okay, you can see a big momentum, then a big momentum here. From here, if you consider again, big momentum, comparatively smaller momentum, comparatively even smaller momentum here. Okay, now here if you look at it, smaller momentum, and now it's a state where there is no momentum. Okay, now what's going to happen next? Yes, it is clear that it is going to be a gap up. Now at this level, it is important for one to be cautious, friends. You cannot be bulls forever. There can be a huge profit booking that is going to come shortly, friends. Will it come tomorrow? We don't know, because global is positive. There is going to be a definite gap up, followed by a little rally as well upward. But after that, one has to be little careful. Hedge your positions. Don't take naked calls or naked puts. Make sure that all your positions are properly hedged and preserve your profit. I repeat, preserve your profits. These are the days when momentum is very less. That is when you have to preserve your capital. Okay, coming to Bank Nifty, again same thing. Gap up is definitely expected. In case of gap Bank Nifty, this was a clear bull angle, friends. So hello traders, that was the video on 11th or 10th of August. For 11th of August is what we made that video. Anyways, welcome back to Momentum Stocks, and now I'm going to tell you the reason why I showed you that video. Okay, see friends, we were at this particular levels on August 10th. Okay, and that's when I told you to be cautious. Anyways, after that what has happened is Bank Nifty gave a gap up. Why did it give a gap up? The reason is global markets. Okay, followed by a upward momentum. Okay, then finally there was some kind of profit booking and a sideways trend. And if you have seen my yesterday's video, you would have already understood that I was bearish on the market. Okay, I once at one point of time I by mistake said bullish, but I corrected myself by putting a text here that I was bearish. Anyways, now look at this, friends. If you look at global, Nasdaq is 3.9%, which is around 500 points down. SGX Nifty is 1%, around 215 points down. Okay, now what would Nifty do? See, tomorrow morning as soon as you get up, SGX will be another 120, 130 points down. Don't be surprised with that. So altogether 200 plus 100, 300, 350 points down is what we are expecting a opening. So from 17,600 to 300 is 17,300. Somewhere here is what we'll see an opening, friends. 200, 300, friends. Between 300 to 350 is what we can see an opening. Now see, what I was trying to tell you is when there was a gap because of global here, exactly when market came back to the same level, okay, you are going to see a gap again. This time it is a gap down. Okay, and as I mentioned, one has to preserve their profits during such momentums, friends. Okay, so before we proceed, we are going to talk about Bank Nifty, one stock to buy and one stock to sell, and this video post this session. And before we proceed, let me tell you, if you are still not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel, ring that bell so that you get updates and my thoughts as and when I post a new video on the channel, friends. Coming to the next portion of the video, friends, in the previous video that was on Thursday, last Thursday for Friday, I gave you Titan for a buy and we achieved our target, friends. And I gave you BPCL for a sell and it went down continuously. So both our targets were achieved. I would not say a complete target achieved on BPCL because this was our target, but then any sell, okay, unless you sold it here, has given very good money, friends. Okay, and Titan right at the beginning itself, very good momentum followed by a nice double bottom and amazing momentum again. Okay, so I hope you all made very good profits there as well. And BPCL also gave us very good profits. Coming to our video for tomorrow, friends, our view for tomorrow. Now see, as I told you, we can expect the starting somewhere close to these levels. Now tomorrow is going to be a very good gap down. And who is going to make money, friends? The put buyers are going to make money here. Call, those of us who have sold calls will also make some money, but the big beneficiaries are the put buyers, friends. Anyways, so we can expect an opening here. I also told you that Nifty Bank Nifty I'm bearish, and you saw that it continuously moved downwards, friends. Okay, I am moving to 5 minutes now for the analysis part. Okay, now if you see a opening somewhere here, friends, tomorrow, somewhere here, what would you do? My view on it is sideways, friends. It is not going to give a very big momentum upwards or downwards, but it is going to be sideways for next few days. It will be in consolidation stage, just like this area. Okay, similar thing. If you see in this particular range, it was consolidating for a good amount of time. Here there was movement upwards. Here also there was continuous movement upwards, downwards, steeply upwards, and so on. But now at this range, I see it to be consolidating again. Okay, so in my view, Nifty and Bank Nifty is sideways. What we predicted yesterday for a bearish market in last video was correct, and market is even more bearish because of global negativity, friends. Now coming to Bank Nifty, when Nifty is negative by around 300 or 400 points, what do you expect from Bank Nifty? I expect around 800 points down, friends, 7 to 800 points. So from 39,200, we can straight expect a 38, 300 or 400 levels, which is this support levels. Okay, again we are kind of sideways or consolidating stage even when it comes to Bank Nifty. There is one thing that I wanted to tell you, friends. See, this is where I showed you the video, the previous video that in the first part of this video is at these levels. Okay, again here upward momentum followed by a breakdown and downward momentum. Now observe these places, friends. Okay, A, B, okay, and C. Okay, A, B, and C are island patterns, friends. Island patterns means whenever there is momentum like this, downwards or upwards, suddenly when this momentum gives a breakdown or a gap down, and there are candles formed here, okay, and then it comes up again. So this area is called a island. So these islands are what we are seeing here. So usually when there are islands, you can see big momentum, friends. Keep that in mind. Okay, so something similar is what we are going to see tomorrow somewhere here. So this can be called as a island reversal pattern. This is one of the patterns. If you have knowledge of technical analysis, you will already know this, but otherwise this is something that is very new that I am trying to tell you in this particular video, friends. So coming to view on bank nifty, we are sideways here, okay, somewhere in this levels, okay, 38,001 or 200, somewhere in this levels, I'm sorry. Okay, this is where we can expect a sideways momentum, friends. Coming to buy stock for tomorrow. Now I am giving you a buy stock. That doesn't mean that it is going to go up from here. What it means is we are looking at this stock because we see it to be strong. That is all. Now tomorrow when you see Tata Consumer, which is our buy stock for tomorrow, you will not expect it to go above these levels straight. Okay, the expectation is simple. We are going to expect a gap down tomorrow, and from there is chance for it to go upwards. That's what I mean by a buy stock. Okay, I hope I made myself very clear there about Tata Consumer. Now friends, one thing very important here, if you look at this particular stock on a long time frame, okay, say 30 minutes, what do we see? We see a rally followed by a nice downward momentum and again a clear cut upward trend. Look at this, friends. From here to here, if I am drawing a Fibo, it has given a 61.8 rejection. This is a very rare case from where stocks returns. If it returns from here, it is called healthy retracement. Okay, keep that in mind. But in this case, what has happened is there was a inverted head and shoulder pattern here, which touched the 61.8 levels, and the shoulders were at 50% levels, and it started its momentum upwards, friends. Okay, that is the reason we are expecting it to not go below this. Okay, this is a level where it will come again, but that is the reason we are expecting it to continue the upward trend, and that is the reason it is given as a buy stock for tomorrow. Coming to sell stock for tomorrow, friends, it is going to be again the same that we gave yesterday, which is BPCL. Our target was here, friends, and it is still not achieved. Tomorrow morning, as soon as we get up, yes, target is achieved. I know that. We don't have to talk about that at all. What's the next level, friends? That's important. See, now this target is achievable, friends, easily achievable, which is 10 rupees down. And eventually this is one of the targets which we can achieve in this stock, friends, which is close to 15 rupees down in BPCL, friends. Okay, I hope you understood the logic. There is another thing here. We saw a breakdown here, okay, followed by a retest and an attempt to go downwards, further down. It made a lower low when compared to the previous low. Previous low was somewhere here, and the next low is here. So it is making lower lows and lower highs, friends. Okay, lower high, another lower high. So there is a high possibility of it going down. Anyways, I understand the video is long. I tried to make it as short as possible by not telling other reasons. But then, yes, That's the view about the market. I hope you have a wonderful tomorrow and a profitable tomorrow. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and happy trading, friends.